Hello friends, today we'll install SpiroTrack lithium-ion battery pack 72 volt 45 ampere hour on Okinawa Praise electric scooter, which was a lead acid battery model. So for the installation process, first open your dicky and unscrew all the 4 nuts. So this scooty was a lead acid model with 6 battery 12 volt each, total 72 volts. So after removing the nuts, remove the seat cover and the dicky and open this cover. Now unplug the charging socket and remove this flap. After that, remove the footrest cover. So here we'll install the lithium battery pack on the foot area and we'll not install on the dicky, so that your dicky space is left vacant. So when you are removing the lead acid battery, you will find the two terminals, red and the black terminal. So now we'll attach our connector. This is the industrial connector which will be provided with the lithium ion battery pack. So connect the black wire of the connector with the black wire of the scooty. So this is the earthing wire, black color, and tape it properly. Now same, we have to connect the red wire of the connector provided with the lithium ion battery pack to the red wire of the positive supply of the electrical scooty, which is going via the MCB. So this is the coupler ready that can be connected to the lithium ion battery pack. So for safety purpose, we are using some thermocol sheet, so for better suspension and safety. And now we are placing the lithium ion SpiroTrack premium lithium ion battery pack 72 volts 45 ampere hour. So you can place the foam padding from all the sides so that it is very sturdy and there is no space left. So you can see the battery is very tightly fit and the connection is ready. So now we will test the connection. So connect both the connector, one coming from the battery and another going towards the controller of your electric scooty. So this is connected. Now we will turn on the MCB and check whether the wiring is okay or not. So the MCB is turned on, and when we turn on the key, we can see the power and the motor is spinning. So the wiring is perfectly fine. You can see speed of 83 km/h. This is a very high power battery pack. Now we'll turn off the MCB and do the rest part. Now we'll use the tie belt and properly tie all the wires. Now pass both the coupler from the MCB cutout area so that you don't have to cut any other place of your dicky. So like this you can pass both the connector and then connect and test. Turn on the MCB and check. So the battery is working perfectly fine and the wiring is also perfect. You can see the wheel is spinning, and this is SpeedoTrack premium lithium ion battery charger with Indian made, premium quality, 72 volt 10 ampere hour lithium ion charger. So this chargers comes with a industrial connector, 72 volt 10 amp lithium ion battery charger, very premium quality. So for charging your battery you have to use the charger and plug onto your battery pack. So it will start charging and you can see the level. Here is the level, you can check. So you can provide as much padding so that it is very tight fitted. Now the installation process is done. We have to connect all the flaps and covers and do the final process. Now tighten all the screws and put the cover. Now the installation process is complete for the SpeedoTrack lithium ion battery pack.